Hi, it's Kirsten from WTI. There's so many body lotions out there, it's really hard to know which one to choose. I personally have loved the Better Life Citrus Mint Lotion. I have been trying to use more natural products in my beauty and daily routine, and I really like the fact that what I'm putting on my skin is mostly natural plant-based oils. So we have avocado oil, coconut oil, jojoba seed oil, aloe, shea. So all of these oils are really good for my skin. I don't have to worry about any chemicals or toxins, any fake dyes. Okay, so the texture of this lotion is quite thick. I think that's a really good sign in a body lotion. You want something that's really thick, not watery, that's not really going to absorb into your skin. So I like the fact that this lotion maybe takes a little bit longer to absorb into your skin, but again, I think that's a really good sign because it is such a rich, thick lotion, and the citrus mint smell is so pleasant and fresh. It just wakes me up in the morning when I apply it. So I usually apply it to my arms and legs when I come out of the shower. You can also apply it on your face, basically anywhere. I started using this lotion when I got back from my vacation and I had a pretty crazy tan line from my watch. I've been using it for about a month, and as you can see, you can still see my tan line, which makes me feel like this lotion is really moisturizing to my skin. This is such a great cream for the whole family. If you have children, you have babies, you don't need to be afraid of any toxic chemicals. You can definitely apply this safely to their skin without worrying. It's a cream that I keep by my bedside table. I keep one in the bathroom. I keep one next to the hand soap pump, just so anyone who comes into my home can benefit from this beautiful cream. I know you'll love it as well, and that's my point of view.